Hey everyone, so I have here the new WINWING MCDU, just arrived today. Uh, as you can see, it's pretty close to the real MCDU. Of course, the only difference between the real one is that the font is a bit different. But of course, for I believe it was 129 US dollars. I mean, that it is still for MCDU. Um, yeah, the buttons are made out of rubber. It has a good click to them. Um, and it feels good once you click them. Um, but yeah, this is the new WINWING MCDU. Believe I'm not sure if they're still available for global shipping. Um, but they're having the pre-order. I believe it will take about, I believe it says 45 plus days for it to ship to you. Um, so yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Um, I also have the FMC here and the EFIS combined with the rudder pedals from WINWING. I mean, their products are really good, and they feel good as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and yeah. So yeah, let me give you guys a closer look of the MCDU by WINWING. The lighting is really nice. Really lights up in the dark if you're playing in a dark room. You could adjust the setting on the on their Sim app Pro. For some reason, I don't know why, but the brightness level button here is not working. I'm guessing they need to update that. Uh, but yeah. But other than that, every single button is working properly. Um, and everything seems to be working as it should. So yeah.